2019 Chevy Duramax. Brakes are feeling a little spongy. This truck's a few years old. I just checked all the brake pads. They're good. So I'm going to change the brake fluid and bleed the brakes. First thing I'm going to do here is drain this reservoir of all the brake fluid. Next, we're going to fill it up with new brake fluid. Once that's full, we're going to get the cap back on. Next, if you don't have the proper tools, which I don't, you're going to have to get yourself an assistant to pump the brakes and hold the pedal to the floor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to yell to her to pump them, and she's going to pump them up, and then I'm going to say stand on it, and she's going to stand on it, and then we'll crack the pressure valve towards the back there, and the pedal will go to the floor, and she'll wait for me to say okay, pump them again after I close the valve. And here's the little deal we're going to be cracking right here. It's 10 millimeter. They sell nice kits and all kinds of stuff to keep this mess contained. I don't have any of that, so I'm just going to do it this way. This is 10 millimeter. Alright, babe, go ahead and pump them out. Hold them. Pump them. Hold them. Pump them. Hold them. There we go. See how it just went from dirty to clear? We'll do it one more time. Pump them. Hold them. I should also note that I started at the passenger right because that's furthest away from the reservoir, and then I'll go this fella, and then I'll go passenger front, and then I'll go driver's front, and then you're done. Keep going to the reservoir every time you do one and top it off. Make sure it stays full, otherwise you're going to suck air and have to do it all over again. Alright, brakes are all bled, and it's raining in the middle of the desert. And why are you sitting in the rain, sir? Thanks for watching.